This is an Apple iPad with a damaged screen. In this video we're going to show you how to take it apart so you can make the screen repair. First thing you need to do is, using an iPad pry tool available at repairsuniverse.com, start prying between the glass and the metal frame to release the metal clips. With the clips released, you can ease off the screen, but be careful as it is still held in place with a couple of ribbons. Just ease it off the side enough to give you access to the ribbon as being shown here now in the video. Using a safe open pry tool, release the two jaw connectors, allowing you to release the ribbon cable. Once the jaws are open, you can release the ribbon. Here is that process again at an easier to see angle. Open the jaws and release the ribbon. Now the digitizer ribbon has been released, you can open up the iPad, but it is still connected with two other cables. To release the first cable, lift it up and then gently ease it out. It will come out quite easily. The next cable on the iPad 3G version is an antenna cable. Use a safe pry tool to release this. It simply pops off. You can now remove the screen. With the screen released from the iPad, you now need to remove the LCD screen from the touchscreen digitizer. Using a T3 Torx screwdriver available at the repairsuniverse.com website, remove the screws as being shown here now in the video. Before we can remove the LCD screen, we need to ease off the flex cable as being shown here, and also remove the black tape strip along the side. On the 3G version of the iPad, you will also need to ease off the antenna ribbon as being shown here. You can now gently lift out the LCD screen using the metal tags on the sides. You can now replace a damaged LCD screen or glass touchscreen digitizer.
The first step will be using a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the adhesive holding the touchscreen to the midframe. Work your way around all four edges using quick movements for about 45 seconds. Now, using an iPad opening tool, gently begin prying the touchscreen from the midframe. Again, work your way around all four edges. If needed, reheat the adhesive. With the adhesive released, you can now feed the digitizer cable through the housing slot and remove the touchscreen digitizer from the midframe.